everybody, it's Roy from Oracle12 and EpicDroid.com, and I'm here today with the Spigen Glas.tR Easy Fit Pro screen protector for the Google Pixel 10a. The Glas.tR Easy Fit Pro is a super easy screen protector to apply to your device. It comes in a 2-pack and it goes for about $20 on Amazon. We'll have links in the description down below where you can order it for yourselves. I've already taken the screen protectors out of the package here. They come with 2 different screen protectors with their easy application kits. It comes with 2 different kits there. And then it also comes with this little packet here that has all the extra pieces and accessories you'll need to get that put on. So we're going to set this extra one off to the side. We got our lens cleaning wipes. Put that one off to the side. We got an extra thing of dust removal stickers. Put that one off. And then we have a microfiber cloth and our little spudger thing. So the very first and the most important thing that we do when we put a screen protector on is we make sure that the screen of the device is all clean. Spigen recommends taking a cleaning wipe and using that first. Then they recommend taking the microfiber cloth and wiping it down with that. Now Spigen has you go right into the dust removal sticker phase, but I personally recommend getting an air duster and blowing it off before you do that. That just helps make sure that there's no extra dust on there, and then you can use that dust sticker just to grab any little leftover pieces. Once you've got it all wiped down, you're going to take your screen protector and you're going to make sure the pull tab is facing up. You're going to set that down on your phone like this. We're going to make sure that you have a good grip on it, and then you're going to hit that pull tab. And then you're going to take your finger and you're going to slide it along here. That helps give it a nice good seal. We're going to wait for 30 seconds. Once those 30 seconds are up, we're going to grab this tab right here. Just a quick note, in the instructions it shows you pulling it from over on this side, but just make sure you get it from the one that says remove from here. Then you're going to pull up on the installation kit. That should leave behind a nice, pristine, crystal clear screen protector. If you do happen to see some bubbles or some bumps in there, you're going to grab your little spudger tool here. Just going to push those out. And presto, you are good to go. So it's a super easy installation process. It's a nice durable screen protector. You can take box cutters, you can scratch that along them. There's no scratches there. Everything looks nice and pristine. Nice, good, crystal clear. You could put it in your pocket with your keys and you could be using those and have them banging up against it. It's not going to do any damage there. Everything about this just looks nice and crystal clear, super smooth, and super easy to work with. It is case friendly. If we throw a case on here, I have a official Google case. Pop that in. You can see the screen protector goes right up to the edges of the case. So it gives you a nice, good, solid coverage there, and that's going to keep you protected and keep your device safe from harm. It's definitely a screen protector worth checking out. I'd highly recommend it. It goes on super easy. It's going to protect your device, and it's a super affordable price for something that's going to give you a great peace of mind. If you guys have any questions about the screen protector, about the application process, or about anything else you've seen in this video, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below, and we'll reply as soon as we're available. If you've enjoyed this video, if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching. Thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.